When this janitor retired, everyone learned he was a millionaire. The crazy part, nobody knew for 30 years, people saw him every day. They judged his old clothes and old car, but they never knew his secret. Let's go back 30 years. Back then, he barely made enough. His salary was nothing special. Most people thought income created wealth, and janitors weren't supposed to get rich, but Banker Monkey understood something important. Wealth comes from ownership, not appearances, so he made one simple decision. He paid himself first. The amount wasn't impressive, but he invested every paycheck month after month, year after year. His money quietly started growing, and his millionaire journey began. Meanwhile, everyone else chased status. The executives bought luxury cars. Their lifestyles got bigger every year. Everyone wanted to look rich. Banker Monkey wanted something else, freedom. So he ignored the noise and kept investing. Every paycheck, without fail. 1 year became 5, 5 became 10, 10 became 20. Still, he stayed consistent. No shortcuts, no gambling, just patience. At first, nothing seemed different, then compounding took over, and that's when everything changed. His money started earning money. Most people never noticed the change, but compounding had finally arrived. The money he invested years ago was now producing even more money. And he didn't have to work extra hours. He didn't need a second job. His assets were working for him. That's when the gap widened. Some executives earned more than him, far more, but many spent almost everything they earned. New cars, bigger houses, endless upgrades. Banker Monkey kept buying assets instead, and year after year, the gap became enormous. Not because he earned more, but because he kept what he earned and let time do the heavy lifting. While most people spend their lives trying to look rich, he spent his life becoming rich. But what happened after he became a millionaire is the part nobody talks about. And trust me, the next Banker Monkey story gets even crazier. Subscribe now, you won't want to miss it.